Near Avdiivka, Ukrainian drone pilots spotted something alarming: an entire mountain of Russian anti-tank mines piled together and ready to be placed on the roads. It was the kind of discovery that could have changed the battlefield in a single moment. But the pilots saw it in time. A drone carrying grenades was already hovering above the pile, preparing to strike. The first grenade dropped perfectly, but nothing happened. Not a single mine detonated. The pilots tried again. A second drop, again on target. Still nothing. With only one grenade left, they took a breath, leveled the drone, and released it. This time, the entire pile erupted into a massive explosion that shook the drone in midair. A thick cloud of smoke rose into the sky. Watching it, you can't help but think about what would have happened if a tank had driven over those mines instead. Later, the pilots noticed a lone Russian soldier walking through an empty field toward Ukrainian positions. He looked completely drained, barely lifting his feet, almost sleepwalking. The drone approached, but he didn't react. He didn't look up. He didn't even seem to hear it. He just kept moving forward, lost in exhaustion and chaos. In another moment, Ukrainian fighters spotted the movement of a Russian BM-21 Grad rocket launcher, one of the weapons responsible for devastating artillery strikes. The pilots acted quickly. They maneuvered behind the soldiers riding with it and dropped a grenade right onto one of them, stopping the launcher before it could fire again. Footage then shows 3 Russian soldiers walking through an area filled with mines. The last soldier stepped directly on one, and the explosion tore through the air. The other 2 kept moving, maybe confused, maybe scared. But an FPV drone locked onto the second man and struck him. The third tried to hide in the grass, lying still and hoping he wouldn't be seen. But drones see almost everything. He was found and eliminated shortly after. These soldiers made one deadly mistake. They stayed in the open, thinking the sky above was empty. But in this war, the air is full of Ukrainian drones. Being exposed means being a target. Using thermal imaging, Ukrainian pilots found another soldier hidden deep in the bushes. In a nearby trench, one more tried to protect himself by looking the opposite way, unaware that the danger was behind him. Trenches don't offer safety anymore, not from above. 3 more Russian soldiers were firing from a trench. The first drone hit behind them, followed immediately by 2 more. Minutes later, another strike took out the last one. Antennas used for enemy radio communication were spotted and destroyed as well. In one scene, a soldier tried to sprint away when he realized a drone was chasing him. But running through an open field offers almost no chance. The drone caught up to him easily. A Russian passenger car appeared next, empty, abandoned. A drone strike hit it, and for a moment nothing seemed to happen. Then flames grew from underneath, and the car started burning until it was completely destroyed. Ukrainian pilots then practiced targeting Russian motorcycles, vehicles used daily for quick attacks on Ukrainian positions. They move fast, weaving through terrain, but drones have become faster and far more precise. 2 Russian soldiers walking casually along a road were also caught by surprise. When the drone attacked, one of them fell from fear. Both tried to run, but neither managed to escape. Another clip revealed a different threat: strike drones that lie still until they detect something worth hitting. Simple, dangerous, and unpredictable. Ukrainian pilots worked around them and continued their mission. A truck delivering ammunition and troops was spotted next. A single drone strike stopped it permanently. A Russian artillery cannon that had been firing every day at Ukrainian positions was also found. This time the drone strike was exact. That cannon would never fire again. Ukrainian pilots then practiced hitting enemy drones, what they call Russian eyes. These drones fly fast and are hard to catch, but experience matters. The Ukrainian drone managed to chase one down and destroy it midair. A small group of Russian assault troops on motorcycles appeared next, racing toward Ukrainian positions. The tactic is risky and often ineffective, but Russia keeps sending men forward, even knowing how deadly the odds are. Later, the drone approached an enemy dugout, navigating carefully between the trees. With steady control, the pilot guided it straight through the entrance and into the bunker. An abandoned quad bike came into view, another reminder of how chaotic the battlefield is, with equipment scattered everywhere. A Russian soldier tried hiding behind a concrete pillar, thinking it might protect him. It didn't. The drone maneuvered around the obstacle and struck him cleanly. Another clip shows a damaged Russian tank, taken out by an accurate drone hit, leaving it disabled on the battlefield. Then, a strange sight, a soldier wrapped in what looked like a large garbage bag. It was an anti-drone cloak meant to hide his heat signature, but even that wasn't enough to keep him safe. Another soldier tried hiding behind leafless trees, but those thin branches did nothing to shield him. The drone then approached a house that once belonged to civilians, now used by Russian forces as a hideout. Sadly, many homes in frontline villages have been turned into temporary bunkers. This time, the drone delivered justice to the occupiers inside. Another Russian soldier was found among piles of discarded junk. 3 more tried running into a house, but only one made it. The drone caught the others before they reached the door. One soldier was still holding his rifle, unaware of the drone approaching him from behind. In modern war, drones are quiet, and for many soldiers, too quiet. Then came a rare moment, drone versus drone. A Ukrainian drone snuck up behind a Russian, sliced through its fiber optic cable, and watched as the enemy drone spiraled downward and crashed. Finally, a truck full of Russian troops was hit, followed by another truck and an armored vehicle. One by one, Ukrainian drone teams dismantled the threats, clearing the battlefield piece by piece. If you liked this video, hit that like button and show your support. Don't forget to subscribe for more updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.